Hello, everyone. So, we are going to talk about the economic tightrope. India soon going to be a $4 trillion economy. There's a possibility we might surpass Japan's economy or GDP. But at the same time, we see that 2025 could also be a year of uncertainties in the global economy. Uncertainties हमेशा रहती हैं, कभी ज़्यादा होती हैं, कभी कम होती हैं. But we can just talk about what can be the possible uncertainties going forward. First is the coming of new Trump regime and the associated threats related to tariff wars or the chip wars. इसकी वजह से external demand कम हो सकती है market में, which might weaken the exports from India. China intentionally raising its fiscal deficit to record high of 4% of the GDP. So again, this is a strategic step being taken up by China. We need to understand the mindset behind that. The possible repercussions India के लिए क्या हो सकते हैं in terms of the volatility associated with our exchange rate or the capital outflows or even the competitiveness of our trade sector. Pressure on Indian rupee. Indian rupee is already close to 85 rupees a dollar. So exchange rate is going to be one of the challenge because it leads to imported inflation. Regional wars हैं, volatility of crude oil associated हैं. So all these challenges, given they exist, they might intensify further. So it's important कि how we are going to ensure, how we are going to align our domestic goals जैसे कि reducing unemployment, inflation, fiscal deficit, along with the progressive steps like green energy transition, make in India. और हम साथ में बात कर रहे हैं कि there is a possibility we might go ahead with the idea of one nation, one election. तो इतनी सारी चीज़ें एक साथ smoothly reducing the risk factors and the negative externalities हम कैसे कर पाएंगे. So we need to be better prepared with all these. और जब हम budget formulation की बात करते हैं तो these ideas needs to be a part of debate and discussion even as a part of the budget formation, or these ideas needs to be again taken up in the parliamentary sessions also. This can be the role played by the opposition in a constructive manner. So that's all in this video. Thank you so much. We'll meet you with a new topic in the next video.